Guys, let's do this quick. It's time for me to change the battery in this key fob for my Volvo. And this kind of key you will find in Volvo's XC60, 90, maybe even 40, I don't know. In V series, in S series, it just doesn't matter which kind of Volvo do you have. But if you have this kind of key fob, this means that you will have to replace the battery. And of course, you will need the spare one for sure. This is CR 2023, 2032, sorry. And well, obviously you need a new one in some time. In my case, it's about 3 years. Once it's started dying, that's why I'm doing this video, how to replace, because it's not really obvious. So first of all, let me explain you. This key is separate. You will not find it in your Volvo. Probably this is the bare lock in my case. It locks the systems on a different way. But anyways, first of all, you have to undo the whole key to get this done, and you need some instruments. You need the bigger flat screwdriver, and you need a smaller one, of course, because well, you will see why. So first of all, this black thing, you should move it sideways, and this will allow you to remove the cover with the Volvo sign. So I'm pressing it and then just doing it like this. It clicks, and then it can go off. And then in this place, let me show you how does it exactly work. So this black thing works with this kind of lock, and there is the same lock on the other side, right? So first of all, let me remove this metallic key that allows you to access the car, and I will have to literally remove the other one, because that one is removing the back cover, the plastic one. So I'm pressing this down, right? And then moving this same ways like I did before, right? Then removing the cover, and then I have this kind of thing where I have to obviously rotate in the direction where it says. And then that's where I need a small screwdriver, because there is a small hole in this exact place. You will find it. It's very obvious where exactly. And then you just do it like this, and you can easily remove the cover of the battery then. And well, of course, it's easier to remove your battery with this small screwdriver too. That comes off really easy. And then I take a replacement one and just like put it back and assemble in the reverse procedure. But let me tell you also the other thing. You see these kind of clamps here. They are very specifically designed, so don't press too hard. You just have to figure out the exact same sequence it was sitting on earlier, so not to mess around, so not to mix up the locks, and you will not be able to break your key. So it has to go nicely and neatly, and once you fit it into it, just very easily, without any pressure, it goes inside. And then you just use your bigger screwdriver, and then just until it clicks. That's very easy. This one, you literally go in the reverse way, and then let me put back this original key, and like remember, Volvo has to be down of that place, right? So I go back this place and then click. That's it, easy. So from you, it's like, subscribe, and well, follow me for more. I will give you the links to the batteries on AliExpress, for example, so you know where to get them, for example. Thanks, guys. See you. Bye.